respected Honorable Minister of Tamil Nadu, the distinguished guest in the dais, Dr. Sambat sir, the delegates, ladies and gentlemen, I take this opportunity to participate in this conference. This is my third conference. First was in Dubai, which I got involved in arranging with Mr. Sambat. The last one was in Chennai, and this is in Durban. I never imagined this will happen in Durban. Sambat was telling that it is going to happen in Durban, but the efforts he has undertaken during last 2 years enormous. And he used to keep me telling, because he's my advisor as well as my mentor, I used to travel and all. Let me shortly make a presentation of this thing. The opportunity is missed by most of the people because it is dressed in overalls and looks like a work. Because many people miss the opportunity. That happens. After 2 days or after a month, we say that I wanted to do it, somebody has already done it. This is what we are facing in our daily life. But most of the working people will never think that they will go for any opportunity for the business. I was working in Dubai for 36 years, from junior position to the head of HR department. I was the head of HR, almost having 90,000 employees, all are expats. Even though it is not, industrial dispute was not there, like strike and union and all was not there, but other issues used to happen from the sourcing of the people, landing, placing in the site, transportation, all. White-collar people will be different, but blue-collar people will be, enormous problem will be there on our head. We have to be very careful in mobilizing the people, get the work done, training, a lot of such things. After the retirement in 2014, I came back because I have worked maybe in the beginning 14 hours, later on 12 hours, definitely not less than 10 hours in a day. That is how we used to do it. During holidays also we used to do it, work. Now I was not able to keep idle. So I wanted to do something. So I started a small business, a supermarket in Coimbatore, and some import and export also was I doing. And afterwards I also got into a syndicate membership in Tamil Nadu Open University. Now with that, let me just tell. So now the globalization is the order of the day. Previously, we never thought of globalization. Sampat, last time when he brought His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Guyana, Mr. Nagamuthu, he used to tell me that his father and forefather went 200 years ago to Guyana. Maybe even today by flight, Chennai to Guyana will take 35 hours non-stop. But please imagine how much time they would have spent in the ship to reach over there. So they have forgotten the language, and Sampat was able to bring him to Chennai. And after he visited Chennai, he was definitely astonished to see the community, and he wanted to help the community. He wanted to have a link continuously forever. That is the reason today's message, even though he is not present because of the emergency of the meeting, parliament meeting, he said everybody is welcome. I am providing hotel, travel, education, because he was quoting last time, people who go up to O level or A level, they migrate to US for higher education or for employment. So people are, all educated people are going away from the country because a lot of potential is there. The forest, the whole entire forest, the land is available with minerals, metals. Nobody is there to tap the potential. This is what he used to tell me. So, but we wanted to travel, but Sampat went anyway, but I was not able to go because again we have to transit via New York for another 6 hours and all. It was a difficult thing. But anyway, now he has brought the globalization into a global village. So likewise, South Africa, 157 years ago, people landed. Today, all are in good positions. Now, what we have done for our home country? See, the linkage has already stopped. Now, Sampat has initiated the linkages to go away, go forever. That is what the meeting is for. So the merged continents, the distance have definitely shrunk. Today, because of the IT and other things, everything has come to your place, global village. So merged continents, sunk distances, transformed the world into the global village, facilitated capital mobilization and trade made technological transfer very easy. Not at all difficult. Earlier, when I was Dubai in 79, I used to call through a trunk call. It takes half a day or maybe one full day. We have to sit in the Etisalat, the facility provider, telephone provider. Today, in 1 minute, we can even talk to the people. In 83, I was working in ETA. Mitsubishi has told me, I was sitting in Abu Dhabi, they used to tell me, they sent an operators, asked me to go to Etisalat, saying that this is an image, before the pager came into existence, they said, this telephone you can even see the images. You get an approval. I went there and submitted. They said, Mamnoon, this is not permitted. See, we do not want the people to see who is speaking, how he is there, where they are talking from and all. They do not want to do it. This is how. Invented in 83, but this came into existence only for a few years. People are able to see through mobile phone and other things. So technology is hidden. Now today, many people are on the job. So nobody can stop it. It can definitely go ahead. So I want to talk about Tamil Nadu only, with permission of the minister, because we have 32 districts, 215 sub-districts, 1,100 towns and 16,000 villages, 388 blocks. Quickly I will run through. And Tamil Nadu, the strategic location, why? Area is 130,000 square kilometers, second longest coastline after Gujarat. Population is 72 million in 2011, it should be now 80 million. Population density is 555, maybe it is more now. Literacy rate is 80%, maybe it is definitely more than 82 or 83% or even more. So Tamil Nadu investment opportunity and incentives, well ahead in industrial development. Front-ranking state in the attracting investments, second largest contributor to GDP in India, second most industrial state in India. Then ideal state for setting up new industries is one, good infrastructure, skilled, semi-skilled, unskilled manpower is there, subsidies and schemes are given, and there are departments, TITCO, SITCO, these people take care of all the infrastructure needed for starting in industries. Okay, then we come to coastline. So we have 1,100 kilometers coastline, 15% of the total coastal length of India. We have 3 major ports, 16 non-major, and fishing harbors. Coastal industries, nuclear power is there. Now Kudangulam is only getting up second level, third level. Refineries are there, fertilizers, marine industries. Marine industries, plenty of scope is still available. Then educational institutions, management, engineering, medical, architecture, agriculture, fashion technology, school of law, hotel management. Government participation is there. Renowned colleges are there. Now private participation is there. The chairman of VIT is here today. I had been to his institute in Vellore, spread out about 375 acres, more than 20,000 students in that one campus, all 4 campuses put together, maybe around 40,000. Amazing. You should see the type of college he was in. I have been to many colleges because we were instrumental in bringing BITS Pilani to Dubai. So I was involved in that. So after seeing this, I want to meet him and tell my views over there. So many foreigners are studying. People coming out are being grabbed in the industries for employment, even go for higher studies with a scholarship. So, Vishwanathan sir is there? Okay. Then, hub of information technology is another thing in Chennai. See, availability of manpower. Usually, Chennai is considered to be a brainy people. This is what globally the talk. So, people graduated from any IT colleges are being absorbed by multinational companies. Esteemed institution for research and development is also there. It is keep going. Many foreign companies are already established in Chennai. This is an information only. Other cities are yet to be explored. Now, Government of India has declared some of the cities as a smart cities, like Coimbatore and Madurai, Trichy, etc. And Coimbatore is already having IT hub. Maybe other cities, if it is properly connected, definitely big scope over there. Then availability of SEZ, that special economic zone, there are a lot of tax holidaying facilities are also available. You can experiment it in case if you want to do it. Major IT companies, I have said only few, Wipro, Cognizant, Tata, HAL, Infosys. Then agro-food processing industries, rice, sugarcane, groundnut is the primary grown, but all products are grown, even fruits, vegetables, all are grown. There are separate session for this, maybe people will talk about this. Fruits, vegetables, even flowers are being sent every day to Far Eastern countries, even Middle Eastern countries. From Chennai, Trichy, it is going, it's a big scope. Small timer are already doing it. See, pharmaceutical is another area. Tamil Nadu is the 5th largest pharmaceutical producing state in the country, accounting for 10% of the national production of pharmaceutical. Promising field for foreign investment. Not in a bigger level, at least a smaller level. Then investment in opportunity in a bio is there, human healthcare, animal healthcare, agriculture, food, environment, and industrial products. This also we can venture into it. And automobile industries, now Tamil Nadu is the hub of automobiles. Now it is, Chennai is considered to be the Detroit of Asia. Big names are Hyundai, Ford, they produce huge. Other than that, the home industries like TVS and Ashok Leyland, they are supplying to all over the world, all their heavy vehicle products. And components are also, even today, there is a big demand. If you have a tie-up for the main suppliers, main manufacturer, there is a growth over that. Now, since I am a worker, then came back to India, now I wanted to do business with my savings and other things. This is what I want to emphasize. There are plenty of opportunity. Maybe this is available in the website, but it looks not very big, but small. But if you multiply, like now ATM space renting is, I have said, but it is now, because of the digitalization, it might not go, it might reduce. Auto accessory store, because of the vehicles going into the production, coming into the road is increasing, so there will be plenty of automobiles, spare parts selling will be available. Now I have seen a lot of teachers, principals and education people were coming. They were only in the profession. Maybe if they want to do this, maybe definitely they can make money. Make money means for definitely reasonable money we can make. And today, you have not seen all these things before 10 years ago. Beauty salon, bridal stores. See, every mushrooming, everywhere you can see, even in the Chennai city, even in the suburban city, if you see, you can see it. Cake shop. Cake shop is, earlier we used to see only McDonald's in Chennai. Now today, cake point, many cake items are available. People now, college students or anybody going to it. I have visited one coffee shop. Last time I went to one US company, they were opening an office. I went there. He said, you have to drink some coffee and go. I said, okay, let me have. But even though it was noontime, I asked him, can I have a black tea? He said, okay. He sent somebody, he was bringing some 5 cups in a disposable flask. Cardboard, it made of cardboard box, that's all. So he was cutting only 20 rupees. Taste was good. And no need, you need not go look for a flask, send somebody. It is coming to his office, costing 20 rupees. This, okay, finish up. So this is, I will go run through fitness center, gift shop, grocery shop, hardware shop, ice cream store with this. Even ice cream shop, if you see, better than Baskin or Häagen-Dazs and other things. Local production is coming up. Naturals is one. People are looking for that shop. So I think I will run quickly, sir. These are the things. With this, there is plenty of opportunities, small time opportunities available for people to do this. You can, even South Africans working here or any other country people who want to do business, connect with the home country, you can still prefer and go for it. And with this, I thank you. Welcome all of you to Tamil Nadu, do the business. Thank you, sir.